Now this is the Grand Streetcar Swing Bridge now, hauled through truss. Carried Grant Street and the Electric Railway. And so it carries 14th Street, and it was replaced with a Scherzer Bascule Bridge. Right. And now this bridge crosses the Duwamish River, right? See, look at this right there. A wooden type swing bridge, right? Yep, so, and it's located in Seattle, Washington. Now you see, look at now that's a trolley right there, right? Look at that right there. Yeah. Yep, so look at that. Yeah. All the mechanism and everything, ropes, and everything on there. So yeah, there you go. You see how it's built, yeah, like that. And so it's located in Seattle, Washington, which is replaced.